Go.
Sure. Hey guys, Matthew from 20D Ministry. This is take two. Uh, so we just had a really good time doing typewriter outreach. The two encounters that I remember the most was we did like five or six of them, which was awesome. Uh, this one guy, younger guy, his name was Abraham. Biblical name. I don't think he was necessarily a Christian, but he wanted a poem, wrote it for him. Said that I hit the nail on the head, and we know that's the Lord, and he's really identified with a lot of the poem. But then he also showed me that there was like a situation in his shoulder, so I got to pray for him. A group before him, this young kid named Ron, they were like generational Z or whatever, and the Lord revealed that he had a problem with his hamstring, and I got to minister and pray for him about that, and that was in front of all of his friends in the group, and it was just really impactful. And then the last one, there was four of them, and I only write a poem for one person, and so when I wrote it for the girlfriend, I think her name was Danielle. Anyways, whatever. She started crying. The way the Lord was showing some things about her and her personality, and then I also got to minister and pray for the boyfriend for healing. And we just, in every encounter, we go as far as grace will let us, but we tell people about, that we're Christians. At least we'll tell them that we're Christians and that God loves them and cares about them. And then we're starting to give them that card to connect them uh, to hopefully get born again or whatever the case may be. So, yeah, we just had a fantastic time. It actually rained a little bit earlier, so we came back and um, yeah, it was super, super special. And thanks for praying for these beloved people. All right, take care.